It's time for some festive glam using some products that are a part of our newest launch to light up a festive season. I'm gonna start by mixing some strobe cream into my foundation. I want today's look to be very glowy, festive, and long wear to last us those long nights. I'm gonna then contour using the 3 method. You know I love it. Then my most favorite hack is using meher, a color I'm obsessed with, as an eyeshadow base. Obviously, blend it well. This is gonna make your eyeshadow also last longer. And then I'm gonna use a brown shade just to create the shape that I desire. I'm gonna deepen the pink with a pink blush. Then I'm gonna create my eyeliner using the 24-hour long wear kajal eyeliner. I'm gonna smoke it out with a black eyeshadow, and thank God my liners match. I'm gonna then use meher as a cheek blush. Oh my God, this is a game changer, guys. The way it looks on my skin, the way it blends into my skin, it makes my makeup last way, way longer. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna then conceal, add in some powder blush. I'm gonna tight line my eyes, add in some mascara, and then obviously finish it off with some hair on my lips. Something that I do to switch it up from a day to night look would be switch to Ruby Woo, again a color I'm obsessed with. Guys, these kits have been created with a lot of love. I hope you guys love them.